Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find a logarithmic regression model for some lists of data. So what I've done is in my stat editor, I have two lists, L1, which is just the numbers 1 through 8, those will be my x values, and then I've come up with a way, at least to make these values look random and fit a logarithmic model. But not very predictable just from looking at it. And I want to have my calculator determine what that logarithmic model is. All right, so I'm going to show on the graph. This does kind of look like it could be logarithmic. It's not a line. And to get my calculator to find a logarithmic model for this data, let's see, exit out of there. I'm going to go to Stat, Calc, and then my logarithmic model is number 9. If you want to do this for data that you believe to be expressible as an exponential function, then you can use menu option 0 here, which is an exponential regression. It essentially works the same way I'm going to show you with natural log regression. So 9, my x list is L1, my y list is L2. I don't have a frequency list. I do want to store this result, so store the regression equation. This just tells me store it in my y equals editor. So if I choose y equals 1 or y1, this will take the regression equation it determines and store it as y1. And when I'm ready, I can calculate this regression model, and I get a equals 0.56, b is equal to 0.3, so that'd be 0.056 plus 0.3 times the log of x, or the natural log of x. It does fit perfectly because that's the formula I used to come up with this, but yeah. All right, so that's how you can get a logarithmic regression or an exponential regression for data that you have if you believe it can be modeled using that type of function.